Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Rocket Mortgage for investor financing steps step by step clearly. To start your journey with Rocket Mortgage for investor financing, visit the Rocket Mortgage website. Click on the Get Started button prominently displayed on the homepage. Select the option for investment properties when prompted. Fill out the necessary personal information, including your name, address, and contact details. Provide details about your financial status, including income and assets. Input information about the property you are interested in financing. Review the preliminary eligibility questions to ensure you meet the criteria. After completing the form, submit your information to receive a preliminary approval. Once your application is submitted, you will be contacted by a mortgage specialist. Discuss your financial goals and investment plans with your specialist. Ask any questions you have about the financing process or specific loan products. Gather and prepare the required documentation, such as tax returns, bank statements, and credit reports. Submit the documentation to your mortgage specialist for review. Wait for your loan application to be processed and approved. Review the loan options presented to you, including interest rates and terms. Select the loan option that best fits your investment strategy. Confirm your decision and proceed to lock in your interest rate as instructed. Schedule a closing date with your mortgage specialist. Attend the closing meeting where you will sign the necessary paperwork. Receive your funding and begin your investment journey with your new property. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.